Hi guys, let us discuss this question which was present in NEET 2025. The question is Dalton's atomic theory cannot be explained which of the following? Option A, law of conservation of mass. Option 2, law of constant proportion. Option 3, law of multiple proportion. Option 4, law of gaseous volume. So this is the question related to some basic concept of chemistry. Now let's discuss the Dalton's atomic theory. So matters are made of atom, indivisible, indestructible. Atoms of the same element are identical mass and size. Have different atomic mass and size. Atom associates with the simple whole number ratio to form compounds, and atoms during chemical reactions only rearrange, not transform to the other atoms. This is the Dalton's atomic theory. Now, so that means this. Now coming to the law of conservation of mass by Lavoisier, that mass of reactant totally converted into the product in a closed system, that means conserved. So Dalton's atomic theory also tells that the mass of the atom are conserved. So in case of law of constant proportion by Proust, a pure chemical compound must have same atomic mass ratio whether they can collect any source like water. The H and O have always 1:8 mass ratio. So you can collect any source from tap water, from pond water. All these cases, the hydrogen and oxygen having the mass ratio 1:8. This is the law of constant proportion. So that is also it's saying that atom associate with the simple whole number ratio to form compounds. That means this law of constant proportion is also validated by Dalton's atomic theory. Now, law of multiple proportion. This is given by Dalton. Two elements or more than one compounds. If one atom have fixed mass, then other elements have multiple proportion masses. Means if carbon and oxygen are two different elements combines to form CO and CO2, so one C with one O in case of CO, whereas in case of CO2 one C combines with the 2O. That means double proportion. That means the law of multiple proportion. Here in the Dalton's atomic theory says that atoms during chemical reaction only rearrange, does not transform to the other atoms. So that satisfies the multiple proportions. Now, law of gaseous volume by gaseous. It says the gaseous molecules react to form the gaseous product. The reactant volumes combine and generates the product volume will be a simple ratio. Means if one volume of nitrogen reacts with 3 volume of hydrogen, then it will produce 2 volume of ammonia. So this ratio is 1:3:2 ratio. It is simple. So it's not related to mass. So all other the three cases all related to mass, whereas these cases it says the volume. That's why this option 4 does not explain this Dalton's atomic theory. So thank you guys.